Here's how to reset your AirPods or AirPods Pro. Now, if you have AirPods or AirPods Pro and you're selling them, giving them away, or you basically just want to get back to a factory reset, a hard reset on it, it's easy to do so. So here I can open up my AirPods Pro and you'll see they'll pop up on my iPhone, Trevor's AirPods Pro here. If I wanted to do a reset, a hard reset on it, you can see on the back of every AirPods case is a little button. So it is white on white and flush with the case, but you can see that little circle there. All I have to do is tap and hold on it, and you'll see a sequential progression of lights. So you can see that little light there is flashing white, meaning that it's on pairing mode, but we want to continue to hold it until we see an amber color. So keep holding it through this process, and there we go. You can see an amber color on that AirPods Pro case. So now we can let it go. It has reset and factory reset these AirPods Pro. It's that easy. So I can close them up again, and then I'll just go through the process of opening them, and they will connect to my phone here. I'll be able to connect to them, hit connect. You can see that it doesn't recognize these AirPods Pro, basically because they've been factory reset. And I can hit not now, customize, not now. And then basically I have reconnected to these AirPods Pro. So that's the process of resetting it. It's really easy to do. It fixes a lot of bugs a lot of times and is just generally a good thing if you're having any issues with your AirPods. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.